Okay, so I'm going to attempt to give you a little pointer, a little assistance on the question on the subtraction part 1 assignment that is causing some difficulty. And the question essentially asks you to explain how subtracting a negative number is like taking away or canceling a debt. Well, let's take a look at this scenario here. Suppose you have $170 of cash and you owe mom $50. Mom's loaned you $50. Um, your sister owes you $20, and I want you to determine how much you're really worth. How much money do you essentially have? Not how much cash do you have, but what are you essentially worth if you've got a $170 of cash, you owe your mom $50, your sister owes you $20. How much are you worth? I would suggest that you pause the video and figure that out, and then continue it. Okay, well, let's look at this. Um, if I owe my mom $50, what do you call that as a word for something that, and we've referred to this word previously. I hope you're thinking about this word here, and that word is debt. Now, how am I going to represent that debt? Well, another assignment asked you about that, and I'm going to represent that here this way, negative $50. And notice that this is not a subtraction symbol. This is a negative sign, negative $50. It's representing debt. Now, your sister owes you $20. Now, is that going to be is that $20 in your favor, or is that a negative $20? I'm hoping you're thinking that's a positive $20. It's money that's owed you. It's money in your favor. So now, to find the net worth, we take these three guys here and we add those three numbers. We add 170, negative 50, and 20. And we come up with $140 is your net worth. Okay, now, suppose mom cancels $25 of your debt. Doesn't cancel your whole debt. She cancels $25 of your debt. Okay, well, first of all, I remember that I was going to do something up here. I'm going to do a little color coordination up here. The $170 cash, I'm going to color positive money green. And I'm going to color that debt red. Now, so positive green means your money. Red means a lot of times you'll hear the expression "in the red." That means debt, or you owe more. If you're in the red, that means you owe more than you have on hand. Okay, well, so mom cancels $25 of the debt, so you still got the cash on hand. Now, how much do you owe mom now if she's canceled $25 of the debt? Well, now you owe her $25. So I'm going to represent that as a negative $25. Okay, sister still owes you $20, so that's still represented as 20. And so what's our net worth? What's your net worth now? Well, now your net worth is 170 plus negative 25 plus 20. So now your net worth is $165. Okay, so let's summarize here. How do we compare this canceling of $25? How do we represent that as subtracting a negative number? Well, let's look at this. Your net worth before the debt was canceled was $140. Your net worth after the debt is canceled. Net worth after the debt is canceled is $165. Now remember, this here is not minus $25. That's a negative $25. That's not a minus symbol. That's not a subtraction symbol. It's a negative sign. And besides, 140 minus 25 or plus negative 25, either way you look at it, you don't get $165. This negative $25 is this debt here. $25 of debt is being canceled. So the question is, how do we represent the cancellation of that debt? This debt has been taken away. This debt has been literally taken away. I'm going to use blue. And canceling is taking away that debt. So the result being $165. It's like the cancellation is a subtraction. Canceling debt is taking away debt. So we subtract that negative number and we're actually increasing our net worth. I hope that helps.